Hello, today we're going to show you how to install a 1913 Picatinny rail on your FNP or PS90. This Picatinny rail is manufactured by HB Industries and it's unique in that it features two integrated QD cups or sockets for mounting slings. The HB Industries 1913 rail can be installed onto the left or the right side of the FNP or PS90 receiver. Our rail section features cutouts and pockets that clear casting imperfections and receiver geometry on both sides of the FNP or PS90 receiver. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the installation. It's one of the most straightforward installations you might ever do. The first thing we're going to do is make sure the firearm is clear. So go ahead and check the bolt, check the breech and chamber, no magazine. When you get the 1913 rail from HB Industries, you'll notice that it comes in the bag with the rail section, of course, and some hardware, 2 screws and a hex or Allen key. This is going to be the only tool that you need to install your 1913 rail. So everything you need to install the 1913 rail will come in the package. We're going to go ahead and position the rail again on the side of the receiver that we prefer it on. And then I like to add blue Loctite. It's not required, but I like to add blue Loctite to the threads of small screws like the ones used in firearms. It is true that the factory threads on the PS90 do not have any Loctite on them from the factory. So again, wouldn't say it's required. It's just a personal preference thing for me when I'm installing small screws on firearms. So I went ahead and added some of the high temp blue thread lock and tightening down my screws. You can torque them with the Allen key, but if you want to ensure like proper torque, our spec here has been 1.2 Newton meters. We weren't able to get anything from FN, but again, 1.2 Newton meters or about 10 inch-pounds seems to be the sweet spot for us, and that's what we would recommend if you have a torque tool available. If not, again, go ahead and just tighten down by hand with the short arm Allen key. Once the 1913 rail is tight, you can kind of go ahead and check it, verify that it's flush and rock solid up against the receiver. Again, one of the nice things about having a 9-position rail with an integrated QD is that we can obviously mount a QD to it in either the back or the forward position. But with that QD mounted, we still have space for, this one's a cloud defensive pressure switch. So pressure switches can be mounted behind or in front of a QD. There's also going to be space for lights or anything else that you want to put on your 1913 rail, and you won't need to provision for a separate QD on this side. So that is the installation of the HB Industries 1913 rail for your PRPS or PS90, and it features 2 integrated QD cups or mounting positions for a sling. If you have any questions or need any other additional information, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you for watching.